Hey moms, do you feel like your kid's just not living up to their potential? Have people or counselors at school thrown around titles that make you a little bit uncomfortable? ADD, and ADHD, and autism, spectrum processing disorders? Or do you just feel like there's something off and your kid's not who you know that they can be? Well, then I would recommend that you come out to our Perfect Storm workshop. My name is Dr. Jocelyn, and I'm a pediatric and prenatal chiropractor located here in Nashville, Tennessee. How do you know if you should come to this Perfect Storm workshop? Well, let me teach you something that we've learned over time. Kids typically don't grow out of things, they grow into new things. So, most of the parents that we see in our office, they typically had a really rough either pregnancy from stress or a really rough labor and delivery. Then that kid is typically colicky or they have troubles with nursing, latching, reflux, keeping food down. Then from there, those kiddos tend to have lots of ear infection problems, antibiotics, and tubes. From there, we typically see some constipation and we'll see picky eating. We'll see that they don't ride well in the car. Then it'll lead into runny noses constantly, probably some tonsils that are inflamed. And now you're in this boat where you're getting all these titles thrown at you and you really don't know what to do. Well, we want to be a provider that's in your corner. We fully believe that kids are designed to live healthy. And so we're here to support you in that journey. And we want to simplify the what now and the what if process. And that's why we're putting on a Perfect Storm workshop. What is the perfect storm? Kind of just described it to you. It's things that start little and they just build and build and build and build until your kid's at a point that's in a neurological storm and you come to kind of a crossroads, right? You got to make a decision for which way you're going to go next. And we want to be the ones who are your cheerleaders that tell you your kid is designed to heal. Let's not cover it up with medications and labels. Let's discover their true potential through chiropractic. Your kid's nervous system and ours as well, but let's think about your kids, has two halves to it. We've got the brake pedal, which is your parasympathetic nervous system, and you've got your fight or flight, your gas pedal, your sympathetic nervous system. And I can guarantee you, if you're still watching this video, your kid's on this side. His or her foot is just stuck on that gas pedal, which doesn't give their cup much room to handle changes. And also, it means that your kid is just burning through resources and is go, go, go all the time and is not giving their body the chance to rest, recover, and be ready for the next day. So if this sounds like your kid, if this sounds like things that they're dealing with, I'm not going to give you all of our Perfect Storm workshop things right here on this video, but what I want you to do is I want you to scroll up and I want you to hit reserve my seat. We're hosting the workshop here in our office Wednesday, February 21st at 6:15. Seats are limited, so we do need you to reserve that seat before you come in. And also, we love seeing kids, but this is going to be just a parent to parent conversation. My husband, Dr. Kent, will be joining us on that night, and we're going to talk about what we do, how chiropractic can help, and how we're going to be able to help your child become who you really know that they can be. Now, like I said, seats are limited, so make sure you're hitting that reserve button. And if you've got more questions too, feel free to check us out on social media. We're going to be talking about this workshop on social media, so feel free to go there. And I'm looking forward to seeing you here in our office Wednesday, the 21st.